What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. All right, so we're doing a VLM today. New customer, San Luis Obispo, California. Brenda's using the orc. This is a 4,000 square foot home, a lot of areas. Plus we're doing some wool rugs. So we're gonna double team this. She's using the orcs for the smaller rooms. I'm gonna go on the other side. Used the 175. Yeah, very lightly soiled, you know. Well maintenance type of customer. I like to keep things nice, so we're gonna keep them nice. Using wool safe products downstairs. We're gonna use Procyon on the wool rugs. We're gonna do low moisture on it also. And then we're gonna go on the way out, just do this armchair for her real quick. Unfortunately, we've got to hook up the hoses for it because I don't have the VLM set up for upholstery yet, but this should probably kick me in my butt and get out there and get that stuff together for jobs like this. So, all right, stay tuned. So Brenda's raking. I'm gonna work on the those look right. I'm gonna work on the stairs. Take this out of here. Rake up the rest of these rooms here. Yeah. Beautiful neighborhood. Look at this. I can use some more customers in this neighborhood. Yeah, she likes us well enough. Maybe she'll tell our neighbors. What am I looking for? Okay, I forgot my battery pack. So now I'm using Procyon for I could have used Procyon for everything, but I already had the carpet details mixed up. So I'm gonna use Procyon for the wool. Low moisture. Shouldn't be any problems. I don't work too far ahead of myself. Ready on. All right, so they're not expecting miracles with this. This is just the son's chair, and he loves his chair, and yeah. So we're gonna clean up for them right here in the front yard. So nice weather for that. sprayed it, and she used the hand drill scrubber and agitated it before I got to this. All right, guys, so all wrapped up. Customers were very, very happy. Yeah, low moisture, VLM, guys. You know, very well maintained carpet, so definitely wasn't a challenge, except we had to be really safe on those wool carpets. Of course, you got to make sure your chemistry's good. It's not too difficult, really, as long as you got that wool safe stamp on your product, on your cleaner, which ProCyan does. Now, carpet detail does great on wool also. It just doesn't have that wool safe. So if you're really nervous about it, definitely go with the wool safe. ProCyan, it's about 11 pH, which is packs a punch, but then dries at a neutral pH. So that's what you want, stuff like that. It's encapsulation, so it's good for steam cleaning and VLM. All right, so we're heading back to Paso. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that like if you haven't did that yet.
Smash that button.
Smash that like, she says. That's what all the YouTubers say, apparently. Smash that button.
Smash that.
Don't break it, though. All right, see you in the next one.